If someone tried to steal money from you every year, will you let them? But guess what? If you have money sleeping in a regular savings account, earning 3 to 5% while inflation is in double digits, that thief is already inside your wallet and you are letting it happen. But here is the plot twist. There is a completely legal, SEC regulated, low risk investment that could turn that same money into something very tangible in a few years. And you don't even need millions to start. 5,000 naira is enough. Today, I'm exposing one of the most powerful wealth building tools in Nigeria that your bank will never advertise: money market funds, specifically the Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund. When I say Stanbic IBTC, I'm not referring to the commercial bank. I'm referring to the asset management company. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start building real wealth, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. What is a money market fund? First things first, let's break this down for those that are new. A money market fund is a type of mutual fund that invests your money in very safe short-term securities. Think of it as a supercharged savings account. But instead of earning those tiny interest rates your banks give you, you're earning significantly more while your money remains safe and accessible. The Stanbic IBTC Money Market Funds invest 100% of your money in high-quality short-term securities rated BBB and above. Example are Treasury Bills. This is government debt and it is the safest investment in Nigeria. Commercial papers. These are short-term corporate debt that are only from solid companies. Fixed deposits with top-rated banks. This means your money is working hard in multiple safe places managed by professionals who know exactly what they are doing. Why am I obsessed with money market funds? Number one is their competitive returns. The recent yields are around 17% annually for the Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund, but last year we were getting up to 24%. Let me put this in perspective. Your regular savings account gives you maybe 3 to 5% per year. Fixed deposits at banks give you about 8 to 12% per year, and your money is locked. The Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund gives you 17% per year, and you can access it anytime after the first 30 days. That's more than 3 times what your bank savings accounts give you. The second reason is safety and security. The Stanbic IBTC Asset Management Company is rated AA by Agosto & Co, and that is the highest rating for any fund in Nigeria. They are part of the Standard Bank Group, which is one of Africa's largest financial institutions. So nothing can make you lose your money here, not even COVID-19 lockdown. Your money is invested only in securities rated BBB and above. This is solid conservative investing that protects your capital while earning you excellent returns. The third reason is the accessibility. And here is what I love. After the first 30 days minimum holding period, you can redeem online and your proceeds will be transferred to your bank account within 2 working days. You don't have to lock it for a year with like the way some fixed deposits do. Yes, I tested this out even during COVID-19. I was able to withdraw my money comfortably online even while everyone was on lockdown. But here is what's important. Because you can access it doesn't mean you should keep withdrawing. More on this later. The fourth reason why I love this is the low barrier entry. The minimum initial investment is 5,000 naira. That's it. You don't need to be rich to start building wealth. 5,000 naira is all you need to start. Additional investments can be made in multiples of 1,000 naira. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone who thinks, I don't have enough to invest, you absolutely can start with 5,000 naira. The fifth reason is that there is no maximum limit. So whether you have 5,000 naira, 5 million, or 50 million, the Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund accepts your investments. This means that as you grow in your career and as your income increases, your investment vehicle grows with you. This is where it gets interesting. Let's say you commit to investing 50,000 naira every month into the Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund. That's about 1,700 naira per day, less than some people spend on lunch and data. At 17% annual return, after 1 year, you would have invested 600,000 naira and your balance will approximately be 650,000 naira. After 3 years, you would have invested 1.8 million and your balance will approximately be 2.3 million. After 5 years, you have invested 3 million and your balance will be approximately 4.5 million. After 10 years, you have invested 6 million and your balance will be approximately over 15 million. Yes, you heard that right. From 50,000 naira monthly contributions, you could have over 15 million in 10 years. That is the power of compound interest and consistency. You put 6 million and get 15 million. Now, let me show you something that will blow your mind. This is my favorite calculation. Let's say you have a newborn baby today. You open a Stanbic IBTC money market fund account. You invest 100,000 naira initially, then 20,000 naira every month for the next 18 years until they turn 18. The total money from your pocket over 18 years will be 4,420,000. That is the 100,000 naira initial plus 20,000 times 12 months times 18 years. At 17% annual return, by the time your child turns 18, that fund will be worth approximately 30 million. But here is where the magic happens. Your child, because you taught them about money, I'll get to this, decides to leave that money invested. They don't touch it. They let it keep growing. By the time they are 30, they will have over 230 million. By the time they are 40, approximately 1 billion from just 20,000 naira invested monthly. That's generational wealth right there. Listen carefully, because this is where many people go wrong. Do not treat your money market fund like a piggy bank. I don't care that you can withdraw after 30 days. I don't care that the online redemption is convenient. I don't care that you need money for that new phone, that trip to Dubai, or that Owambe party. The only way to see the true power of compound growth is to leave it alone. Think of it this way. Every time you withdraw, you're stealing from your future millionaire self. That 50,000 naira you withdraw today could be worth 500,000 in 10 years. Is that purchase worth 500,000 naira? Now you might say, Anne, I've heard, but when can I withdraw? Through emergencies like medical, job loss, etc. Planned major expenses you've been working towards. For example, a house down payment, business capital, education fees. After you have reached your long-term goal, that is at retirement or when you have achieved financial freedom. When you should not withdraw, you want to buy new clothes, you want to travel, you want to upgrade your phone, you want to flex for social media, you're trying to impress someone, you just feel like spending. Let me not catch you. How to get started with Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund. It's incredibly simple. You have two main options. Option 1 is through online via their websites. You will click the link I'll be putting in the description. I will also add the link in the comment section. Click on Buy Now, scroll down a bit and start the registration process. You will need to have your ID card, signature, utility bill handy as you will be uploading them. If you need help with this process, click the link to my free Telegram group and join us. We will assist you and put you through. The link will be in the description. Option 2, visit a branch. So you can complete a subscription form and submit at any Stanbic IBTC, commercial bank or asset management branch nationwide. Bring a government-issued ID card, so a national ID, driver's license, international passport or voter's card. Provide a utility bill or bank statement for address verification. Your account will be opened within 1 business day. Make sure to tell them to create an online account for you so that you can be able to use it online. That's it. No complicated processes, no wahala. Within 24 hours, your account is working for you. You might ask, why are you emphasizing on Stanbic IBTC when there are other money market funds? Great question. Here's why. Track record. They have consistently maintained an impressive track record of effectively managing risks to deliver performance. Safety rating. They have the highest fund rating in Nigeria, which is AA by Agosto & Co. They are part of Standard Bank Group. They have the backing of one of Africa's largest and most stable financial institutions. Their returns. They compound your returns monthly. This is very impressive. Technology. They have easy to use online platform that is Blue Nest and mobile app. then excellent customer service. See, they are just an email or phone call away. I love them for this. Let's move on to teaching your children about money, the non-negotiable parts. If you're building wealth for your children through the money market fund or any investment, you must teach them about money. This is non-negotiable. I've seen it happen. Parents work hard, invest diligently, build millions for their child, and when that child turns 18 or 21, they blow it up within a year because they know nothing about money and management. Here is what to teach your children. Delayed gratification. You can't have everything now. Good things come to those who wait and work. Compound growth. Show them the math. Show them these calculations. Let them see how money grows over time. You can make use of the investment calculator on my website. The link will be in the description of this video. Number 3, living below your means. Just because you have money doesn't mean you should spend it all. Teach them investing versus spending, right? Money spent is gone, but money invested works for you. Teach them the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket and liabilities take money out. Financial goals. Teach them to invest with purpose, not just to accumulate. Financial literacy. Involve them in family budgets. Show them bills. Explain how investments work. Start these conversations early. A 5-year-old can understand basic concepts. By 10, they should be able to understand compound growth. By 15, they should be financially literate. When your child grows up understanding these principles, they will look at that investment account and think, this is my retirement fund, not this is my spending money. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a detailed video on investing for children and also on teaching children about money. Let me be clear about where your money market fund fits into your wealth building strategy. Money market funds are best for emergency funds after the 30-day minimum holding period. Short to medium term goals, that is 1 to 5 year goals. Capital preservation with good returns. Building your initial investment capital, maybe for real estate or other major projects. Retirement fund. You should also consider investing in the stock market. If you have been watching the stock market from a distance, curious but afraid because you don't know what to buy, or frustrated because your results aren't matching your efforts, REITs. My VIP community exists to guide you through all that. Inside the VIP community, I do the heavy lifting for you. Stock analysis, detailed breakdowns on what to buy, hold, or sell ratings, specific buy recommendations. I tell you exactly what stocks to buy, when, and at what price for maximum returns. Monthly live strategy sessions. We review the market and adjust positions together. Direct access to me, ask questions, get portfolio reviews, learn continuously. Our track record speaks for itself, but more than returns, what I'm proudest of is the confidence that my members now have. They are no longer scared of the stock markets. They understand what they are buying and why. The link is in the description and in the comment section. I limit membership so that I can have a personal touch. So if you click the link and it's active, don't wait. Sign up. Your subscription covers for 1 full year. Remember that a smart investor has money in multiple places. The discipline challenge. The biggest challenge you're going to face is not finding money to invest. The biggest challenge is discipline. Nigeria has a spending culture. We love to flex. We love to show up. We love immediate gratification. And social media makes it worse. Everybody seems to be living large, even though many are broke and in debt. You need to make a decision. Do you want to look rich or do you want to be rich? Looking rich is easy. Buy designer clothes, eat at expensive restaurants, drive a fancy car on loan, post on Instagram. Being rich is harder. Live below your means, invest consistently, delay gratification, build slowly over time. The good news, if you choose to be rich now, in 10 to 15 years, you will be able to look rich effortlessly because you will actually have the money. Common excuses and why they are wrong. I don't have enough money to invest. Wrong. You need just 5,000 naira to start. That's one night out. Choose wealth over one night of enjoyment. I will start when I'm earning more. Wrong. Start with what you have now. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. If you don't start investing with what you have now, you won't start when you start earning more. I need my money accessible for emergencies. That's exactly what a money market fund is for. After the first 30 days, you can access your money within 2 working days if you truly need it. 10 years is too long to wait. Wrong. Time will pass anyway, and it flies so fast. Remember January 2025? It feels like yesterday. December 2026 will come before you know it. December 2025 will arrive whether you invest or not. The question is, will you have wealth when it arrives? Action plan. Do this today. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Take action today. Step 1. Open your Stanbic IBTC money market fund through the link I'll be dropping in the description and in the comment section. Step 2. Set up automatic transfers. So decide on an amount that you can invest monthly, even if it is 5,000 naira. Step 3. Open accounts for your children. If you have kids, open money market accounts for them. Start with whatever you can afford. Teach them about what you're doing. Step 4. Track your progress. Check your balance quarterly. Please resist the temptation to check it daily. Then watch how compound interest works in real time. Stay motivated by seeing your wealth grow. Step 5. Educate yourself continuously. You can do this by making sure you are subscribed to this channel and you click that bell button so that anytime I post a video that can be of help to you, you will be alerted. Time is your greatest asset. Let me end with this. You can't buy time. You can't recover wasted time, but you can start today. The difference between wealthy people and broke people often isn't about how much they earned. It's about what they did with what they earned and when they started. Someone earning 100,000 naira per month who invests 20,000 naira monthly for 20 years will be wealthier than someone who was earning 500,000 naira per month but who spent everything and did not invest. 10 years from now, you will wish you started today. So start today, not tomorrow, not next month, not when you get that promotion. Today. Remember, you are not broke, you are pre-rich. And tools like Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund are how you get from pre-rich to actually rich. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value in it, please remember to subscribe, remember to like the video, and most importantly, share this with those close to you who need to hear this. Let's build wealth together. I'm Anne, your favorite finance coach. Until I see you in my next video, keep dreaming big and keep working hard towards your dreams. I'm rooting for you. Bye for now.